Well, here's the next project. 1971 wide gauge, full complete restoration is being asked for. So we're going to put a new motor, paint job, brand new everything. Customer does not want to break down anymore. So we're going to go check in with Dad. So this thing has no power right now currently, and they're gonna drag it off. From what I understand, they're gonna use the tractor here. We're gonna drag it off. I think maybe he'll just tilt the deck and then drive away, and that'll be fine like that maybe. Charlie, tell me, what do you think of all this work going on around here? Are you excited about the 1971? You are? Good. Okay, so Charlie and Hamley are really happy about the next project here. Missing a couple tires from what I understand. They've been sent. They're probably in the truck. We got to grab them. And then these guys had a long day here to get here. So they're going to just unchain, and then they're going to hook up. And so from what I understand, the customer had a few breakdowns on the ice, and he's just tired of breaking down. So he's getting a brand new engine, new paint job, new parts. Wants Dad to basically go from top to bottom, left to right, up and down on this whole machine and replace everything that needs to be replaced, because he doesn't want to have to do too much service down the road. And with a 71, you know, if he does a full restoration job here, then he likely won't have to do much more than basic maintenance. So these guys are going to lower the deck and then pull it off. So he's just warming up the truck, and he's going to tilt the deck. I think he's probably got to get on this side though. Okay, there she goes. Doesn't look like it's level. Dad's just readjusting the chain here. Well, we're late in March here. I can't remember what the day is today, and was talking to the customer about this for a couple weeks, and I just basically told them first come, first served, and you can't have a save spot. Tell a lot of guys that. Must have taken 20 phone calls over the winter. Guys wanting to come in. I just said, as soon as your machine hits the ground here at the shop, that you're the next one in line for service, and we can't really do anything for you unless you're here. We don't save spots. Every spot in the shop is prime real estate, and as soon as Dad is done with that green, which we're only waiting on a head gasket, and that's it. It'll be done. So it looks like they forgot to take off one chain here, so let him do that. Okay, so he's just going to drive ahead and we'll see how well this works. Okay, that'll move it from there.
That's how you do it.
That's double checked all those tires are in there. That's might be the tow truck driver's tire.
2 tires, a transmission,
Okay.
coil springs.
Yeah. Okay, so looks like everything's in there then.
Is this your tire?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna let these guys go, and I got other work to do here, but this is the next project. Charlie's really excited. What do you think, Charles? Hey? Oh God, I just love it. And these guys are gonna probably have a coffee, and then tow truck driver's gonna leave us, and that'll be that. So stay tuned for probably 2 to 3 months of restoration on this machine, and we'll check you in on the next video, guys.